What's up guys, in this video I am going to show you how to clean a side window. First thing you want to do is spray your soapy solution on the glass and use your mini razor to remove any grime or old residual glue. Make sure you are only using stainless steel blades to prevent scratching the glass. With your razor, use small overlapping strokes and pay attention to the area you are cleaning to see if you are leaving behind any contamination or residual glue. The cleaning process is probably the most important step. You want the glass to be like new, so when you install the film, the final result comes out almost perfect. After you are done with the mini razor, spray the glass again and start scrubbing with your white scrub pad. Same as the mini razor, you want to work the white scrub pad in small overlapping passes. Also, if you notice, I am only working 3/4 of the way up on the glass. We will get to the top of the glass later on in the video. Now take your easy reach and we are going to clean behind the seal. Depending on the age of the vehicle, the seals tend to build up a lot of grime over time. You want to insert the corner of the easy reach into the seal and slightly twist towards the glass and work your way down. If it's an old dirty car, you may want to repeat this step a couple of times. Now that you are done with the bottom half, roll the window down an inch and we are going to repeat the same steps on the top half. Only difference between the bottom and the top is the top edge. You want to make sure your top edge is cleaned thoroughly. If it is not, when you spray your soapy solution to install the film, the contamination from the top edge will work its way down and it will show on your final results. If you are enjoying my tutorials, if you could please smash the like button and subscribe to my social media pages, I would really appreciate that. These tutorials took many hours to film and edit, and I am providing you with the information for free. Also, make sure to join my Facebook group where you can ask any questions you may have. This is a beginner's course. It will take many hours of practice to master the skill. Don't expect to have a perfect tint job on your first try. My first car took me 12 hours to complete. Quality is what is going to set you apart from other window tinters. If you have the best work in your city, you can charge more for your work. I would rather tint one car for $600 than 2 cars at $300 each. When using the white scrub pad on the top, fold it like a taco and place on the top edge. You will want to scrub it real good to remove any built up grime over the years. Make sure to toss out your white scrub pad and replace with a new one after a couple of cars, since the dirt does build up over time. When using your easy reach, start all the way at the top of the glass and work your way down. Also, what you're not seeing on camera is after each pass with the easy reach, I am cleaning it with a lint-free cloth. I will be providing links to tools in the description below, so make sure you check that out. Right here, I am using a lint-free cloth to give the top edge another pass. I cannot reiterate how important it is to have a clean top edge. After we are done cleaning the glass, we want to give the frame a good cleaning. The reason you want to clean the frame is just in case your film makes contact with the frame on install. The cleaner the frame, the less chance of contamination getting into the tint job. As you can see, I sprayed the frame and I am using my lint-free cloth to clean the sides and the top of the frame. Before I do my squeegee pass, I did roll up the glass slightly because I had it too low. You want the top edge of the glass 1 inch from the top frame. Mist the glass and use your squeegee in overlapping passes to squeegee the water to the side. I do have a slight angle on the squeegee so the water runs down and not up. I always squeegee the top twice. When misting the glass, make sure you do not flood the frame at the top because contamination will drip from the frame onto the glass. This is your final squeegee before install, so you want the glass as clean as possible. As I am doing this, I am also paying attention to the glass to see if I may have missed any contamination during the cleaning process. If you did, make sure you correct it and redo your final squeegee. After you are done with the squeegee, you are going to flush the sides and the bottom. Pay attention to the angle I am spraying the soapy solution. You want to spray down so any leftover contamination works its way down and off the glass. Also, I am not directly in the seal, I am about 1 inch away. When flushing the bottom, start about 1 inch above the door panel and spray down the glass. Remember, we did not squeegee the bottom half, so we need lots of water to help remove all that contamination off the glass. Give the glass a good mist, and now we are ready to install the film. Remember, do not flood the top. Thank you for watching and make sure to follow the course step by step.